I have chosen to talk about the suburbs in North America and how they started in North America. The suburban population in North America developed during the post-World War II. Returning soldiers and veterans wishing a new start, a settled life, and move to the suburbs. Livingston, which is a city in America, developed as a major prototype of mass-produced homes. At the same time, African Americans moved to North for better jobs and educational opportunities. Because the opportunities in South America was very bad because of the racism. The first large-scale suburban area in the United States was in Long Island, New York. A suburb divided mostly from upper middle class development of entire communities in the late 19th century. And the repeat of population growth that occurred as a result. As a car ownership rose and wider roads were built, the commuting trend accelerated in North America. This trend towards living away from towns and cities has been called urban exodus. Economic growth in the United States encouraged the suburbanization of American cities that required massive investments for the new infrastructure and homes. Consumer patterns were also shifting at this time, as purchasing power was becoming stronger and more accessible to a wider range of families. Suburban houses also brought about needs for products that were not needed in urban neighborhoods, such as lawnmowers and lots of cars. During this time, commercial shopping malls were being developed near suburbs to satisfy their customers' needs in their car-dependent lifestyle.